Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show us how to prepare donuts. Donuts is a snack that could be used anytime, anyhow and anywhere. Children love it so much, mostly when it comes to going to school. Yes, snacks goes a long way for the children. We can as well prepare these snacks in the morning for the family to be used as breakfast. Sit back as I'm going to show us all the things that I'm going to use to prepare these tasty snacks called donuts. Here are the things that I'm going to use in making my donuts for today. Here I have my flour. This is our flour. Here is my sugar. Here I have my nutmeg. This is the shredded one. This is my yeast that I'm going to use. And here I have my milk flavor. I also have here my butter that I'm going to use. First and foremost, I have put in my flour. I'm going to add my butter, very little quantity. And I'm going to mix it. As we are mixing it, we have to raise our hand up so that air will penetrate into it. Because the more the air penetrates into it, the more it will rise. I have to add my sugar. Because I don't like much sugar, so I'm adding a little quantity. I have to add my nutmeg for a nice flavor. Here is my yeast. This is my milk. I'm going to add my milk flavor. Then I have to stir all together. After mixing everything up together, I have to add water. After mixing it and add up water like this, and if you notice that it's too soft, we are going to add a little flour. We are still going to add flour until it is a little bit thick. After mixing up the flour, this is our dough for the donuts, and so we are going to cut it to the desired size that you want. We are going to keep it until it is risen. We have to cut it to a moderate size because the more it stays, the more it will rise. And as you are putting it in the tray, there must be space, just like you have seen, so that once it is risen, it will not stick to each other. We are going to keep it here for about 5 minutes for it to rise before we put it into the oil. Keep watching. This is how the dough is. You can see it becoming big. So I'm going to start putting it in my oil. You have to make hole in the middle. The hole must be very wide because once it starts boiling, it will begin to close. Oh, you can see how beautiful it is, very fresh. This one is beginning to cook well. We have to keep turning it so that it will not overcook or over brown. We have to put it on low heat so that it will not burn. I hope you've seen how I prepared my tasty snacks called donuts. Please don't fail to prepare these snacks at home for the children. It is a family snacks. Children love it, so as adults. If you love this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this video with your family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye.